factories, oil and gas, or mines, enterprises turn to Industry 4.0 and digitalization with a new generation of private cellular networks. They all need a 5G services partner that can meet stringent, business-critical SLAs with the highest possible security standards. Built on Ericsson Operations Engine with an operational model tailored for enterprise needs, our private network operations solution is ready to go. Launch secure, high-performing private networks in just weeks, and scale effortlessly to hundreds of customers. Running on data and automation, we prevent problems, restore 95% of critical issues within 2 hours, and increase efficiency with up to 90% automation. Get ready for the enterprise opportunity with Ericsson Private Network Operations.